Okay, here we go, but made some blue PTFE, alright, which I'm going to put straight in the oil. Just going to hold this camera here. Give me a second. There we go. Okay. So as you can see, I put very approximately, I think I've put, let's see, about 50 mils of Teflon inside here. But that is concentrated Teflon. So what I mean by that is the mix in here is about, I'd say, 70 to 80% of PTFE powder inside here, and I've used colorant, the blue colorant, but we normally use for the petroleum dye as my biltong making machine here. And that's it. Put it on quickly. This baby on, and I have to press a clutch.